My name is Mona. I'm a mother of 8 kids.
Why did you want to join this Forex workshop?
I want to learn about Forex. Besides, I want to know whether I can make it as my second income.
What did you like best about this Forex workshop?
Kishore explained it as simple as, it's very simple, and for me to understand it, since I have not traded before in my life.
If you were to rank the instructor Kishore from 1 to 5, what would you give him? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest, and why?
I would actually give him 10, but since there's no 10 there, I will give him 5 because he teaches us as simple as he's using layman terms to explain even the hardest technique.
If you have benefited from this Forex program, would you recommend this program to others?
Yes.
Do you think others should attend this program?
Of course, because I think it can be their passive income beside their main income.
How much money have you made after attending this workshop?
I've made up to today USD 163 and 500 from 1,000 US.